Hi, my name is Steve Nomura. In this video series, we're going to talk about why real estate investment is ideal. In this video, I'm going to talk about I, which stands for income. In real estate investment business, we have flipping business and rental business. In flipping business, we receive massive income or capital gain. In rental business, we receive passive income or made money. Which is more important? Both are important. We often talk about financial freedom. How you achieve your financial freedom. By the way, what's a financial freedom for you? There are many definitions, I think, but for me, if you don't need to worry about money, that's a financial freedom. If you have enough rental income from your portfolio, then that is more than your expenses monthly. Maybe that's your financial freedom. You don't need to make such a big amount of money, but if you have enough net cash flow, that's going to be your financial freedom. But most cases, people use other people's money, sometimes bank money. Then you have a mortgage against your house. If you have a mortgage, in the beginning, your net cash flow is maybe 10% or less from your rental income. If you receive $1,500 every month, sounds like a big amount of money, but actually your net cash flow is maybe 10% or less. It means maybe $150 or less. That's why you have to have a quite number of rental properties. You should have a massive income, capital gain. Use that kind of capital gain or profit to pay off your mortgage against your rental properties. If you have a free and clear rental properties, maybe your net cash flow is maybe 50%, 60% of your rental income. Let's say if you have a $1,500 rental income every month. If you have a free and clear house, maybe your net cash flow is $800, $900, maybe $1,000 a month. If you have 10 of those properties, your net cash flow is $8,000, $9,000, maybe $10,000 a month. If you have that kind of net cash flow, maybe you don't need to work for money anymore. That's a financial freedom, right? Therefore, in the beginning, when you have a mortgage against your rental property, maybe you should do flipping business too. You can use that kind of income to pay off your mortgage against your rental properties. If you have enough rental income, which is much more than your expenses, you achieve financial freedom. This is I, which stands for income. Once again, in real estate investment, we have passive income, massive income. We need to have both. To achieve financial freedom, you have to have a big cash flow, net cash flow. But in the beginning, most people has mortgage against your rental property. That's why you're gonna do flipping business. Use that kind of massive income to pay off your mortgage against your rental properties. Then if you have enough free and clear house that produce 56% of your rental income as a net cash flow, if you have 10 of those, you achieve your financial freedom. I started having my rental property in the 4th year of my business. It took 6 years to have 30 rentals. It took 8 years to have 50 rentals. I'm still doing flipping business to receive massive income, using that kind of massive income to pay off my mortgage. And I try to accumulate my free and clear rental properties as soon as possible. If you think this information is useful, please click like button. And also, if you have any questions or comment, please leave it in the comment section below. Please subscribe for future videos on this series, also other videos. Thank you very much.